How to make money doing what you love. It's going to become a common theme on this channel where I do videos while I do my day-to-day tasks to prove to people how easy it is to really do content creation and to really just sit on here. If you have information to share, how do you just share your information while you're just doing your day-to-day topics? But today's topic is how to make money doing things that you love, right? And I'm gonna make a video about this on my main channel, on my Blake Went channel, right? Now this channel is monetized, and what do I talk about on this channel? Well, I talk about just basically lifting advice, right? How people can get stronger. I help people get stronger. I provide people free information, and in response to that free information that I provide people, I get paid a very small amount, right? At the moment, sometimes you gotta trust the process, but at the moment, I get paid a very small amount, and in return, people get information, and I gain following. I gain some fans, right? So it seems like not the biggest win for me at the moment, but it has the potential to be something much more than that. And so today, what I'm going to talk about is how to monetize doing what you love, right? And so the first example that I'm going to start off with is bass fishing. Now, this is super random, but the guys who live right next door to me, I'm in a college dorm right now, if you can't tell, but the people who live right next door to me and my roommates, they are bass fishermen. And they are here on a scholarship to do tournaments like, I don't even know how often it is, but I think it's somewhat often where they just do tournaments. And when they do these tournaments, what they do, they go out and they catch fish, right? And that's what they love to do. And what's amazing about it for them, though, is they make money doing what they love to do, right? They're going to school, they're helping their family out, they're helping themselves out, they're helping themselves go to school at a discounted rate for doing what they love, right? And that's bass fishing. So that's the first example, right? You wanna if you can go to school and get paid to go to school, or get a much cheaper tuition to go to school, then boom, that's an easy why wouldn't you do it? You know what I'm saying? And so if you do something, most likely you will be able to go to school for it and get a scholarship for it. Most likely. If you're into gaming, if you're huge into gaming, forget what people say, bro. People are going to say, "Oh, you're the gamer. You're on Gamers Club." Dude, who cares? If you are a very good gamer and you can make seriously like win stuff, and people actually like maybe not even watching you play, but just like learning from you, why would you not make money when gaming, right? Like, why would you not go to school for that? And when people try to talk you down, maybe you're worried about people talking you down, you worried about this, you worried about that. Why don't you just answer them with, if it's so easy, why don't you do it, bro? Or why don't you answer them with, I'm on a scholarship to go here, right? You know what I'm saying? It's not, and it's really not that deep. I feel like nobody, other than maybe like some friends or whatever, would care to even make a joke to you if you're getting a scholarship, you're making money, you're doing whatever to go to school for doing something that you love to do, right? If you are a big gamer, bro, I support you 110% on going to school for gaming. I'm not even kidding, dude. If you can get if you can get a scholarship for gaming, go do it. That's my first point, right? All right, so now that the first point's out of the way, the first little scholarship point. If you can make money selling people information on what you do, why aren't you doing it? And so what I mean by that is, if you have a hobby and there's more than 5 people that care about it, I promise you one of those 5 people would love to pay to learn more about it. And so I'm gonna have to dive into detail a little bit more on this one, but my first example with this is just gonna be, if somebody is gaming, right, and they're not very good at gaming, right, they like super mediocre gamer, but they just want to learn how to get better. Who are they gonna hire to teach them how to get better, right? Like, they actually got money to spend. They don't want to spend the money on the game because they don't want to do a pay to win, right? A lot of people don't want to just do pay to win. How are they going to get better? Well, there's someone somewhere out there that is willing, for probably a pretty cheap cost, right, to teach them how to play video games, and while they're playing video games at the same time, right? They could do this online. They could, I don't know, they could just do whatever. They could teach these people, though, how to play video games while they're playing video games with them. And they're literally making money doing something that they love. This is the exact same way with personal training in the gym. For me, I'm going to sit around the gym for Lord knows how many hours regardless, right? Why don't I offer, I'm asking myself this question right now. Why don't I offer personal training? I don't understand. Why don't I offer personal training? If I'm going to sit around the gym for this many hours, why don't I offer personal training? Why don't I train people if I'm going to be sitting at the gym? Why don't I train people when I'm doing that? Because I love being at the gym, right? So these are just questions to ask yourself, right? Is this hobby that I'm doing that I love, is there more than maybe 5 people that do it? And if the answer is yes, find the people that are going to pay you to learn how to do it. Seriously, you don't even have to be a pro at anything that you do. If you can build really good houses on Minecraft, sell your tutorials on how to build really good houses in Minecraft. Because idiots like me, well, not even idiots, just random people, but people like me when I was younger, I used to always want to learn how to build better houses on Minecraft. I mean, I don't know, are you going to hate on me because I wanted to learn how to make houses when I was young on Minecraft, right? I don't know. You have to answer that question for yourself. But for me, I just always wanted to learn how to make good houses on Minecraft. And so I found myself spending so many hours going across video, watching videos how to make good houses on Minecraft. So there's someone out there that's willing to pay for that small bit of information that you know, for that small bit of information that you just have. You see what I'm saying? So go out there and find those people and go out there and sell to them and provide them real information, right? Give them what they're paying for. Give them what they're asking for. Give them whatever. And then you can monetize off of it. And this is exactly like so many people, I know so many people that own gyms. People who own gyms, this has got to be the definition of getting paid for what you love doing. Picture you get to have your own gym, and not only you get to have your own gym, and you get to get paid for owning your own gym. It's just, like, to me, that sounds great, dude. Like, to me, I'm taking that deal all day, right? I'd love to own a gym soon. So if there's a market out there for it, there's people out there willing to do it, there's people out there willing to pay for it, there's an opportunity for you to make money off it, even if it's never been done before. If it's never been done before, you better get on it soon, because that's $1 billion idea, literally. If you can find some topic that nobody offers courses on, classes on, whatever, you get rich off doing it. I'm telling you that right now. You just get stupid balling rich off of it. So I don't know, the choice is yours. Basically, my whole point of this video is if there's someone out there that does it, you can make money off of it. So this is how to make money doing things that you love. My name's Blake Went. I'm going to be signing out here. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.